Welcome back, fans, to another unboxing and review from the Spin Master Monster Jam series here on Monster Truck Classics. And I thought that I would start off Mix 4 by unboxing and reviewing Monster Mutt, because in the last video I did the unboxing of Monster Mutt that came with Ice Cream Man in the Double Down Showdown 2-pack. So let's go ahead and jump right into this unboxing. On the back of the box, it's a little bit different because now it says poster included. And here are the trucks. There is that overcast of Grave Digger, then Alien Invasion, Soldier Fortune. We also have now Big Kahuna. That's going to be awesome to unbox. Crustacean, Captain's Curse, Northern Nightmare, and there's the training truck of Megalodon. Also a chase piece. Haven't found that one or El Toro Loco yet. Monster Mutt is in the rough crowd, and of course we get one figure. So let's go ahead and unbox Monster Mutt. Let's get this dog out of the box. And also, there's the figure that comes with Monster Mutt. Pretty cool. Now also what is cool, what they did is they showed you now with a poster included. And it's showing you where the poster is at. But let's go ahead and take a look at Monster Mutt here. Now he has the white chrome wheels, which are okay. I thought that maybe that they would do something along the lines with a different color, maybe a light brown or a brown. Let's go ahead, take a closer look up top. Here we go with the tail, the Monster Mutt logo, Monster Mutt. There is his collar. We'll get to it to that side. The teeth are 3D. You can really feel them in there. Also the hair. Each truck is a different casting in the Spin Master's version, so Monster Mutt is not going to look like the same as Monster Mutt Rottweiler or Monster Mutt Dalmatian, which is awesome compared to what they did in Hot Wheels version. So let's go ahead, turning him around to the front there. We have his nose where his whiskers would be, his tail, and you can also see the eyebrows, and also just the windshield too, how they all did that. There is also detail on the truck to look like the hair of a dog. Very cool. And look at the eyebrows too, completely different than the Rottweiler or the Dalmatian dog. The ears on the truck are different also compared to Rottweilers and the Dalmatians truck. So they put in a lot of detail into making these trucks different and separate from each other. Of course it has the BKT tires. Thought I would just throw that in, but you know, they all do that now. So there is his collar, dog tag. I'm gonna bring in now the Hot Wheels version of Monster Mutt, and you can see the difference. I won't take a whole lot of time, but I wanted to bring in then the Spin Master's version of all three trucks, if I can, of the rough crowd. So there we have it. As I was telling you that they all look different, not the same for the ears, the eyebrows, you know, even the casting, so they all look completely different, so that's very cool. Before I end this video, let's go ahead and check out the poster that is included with Mix 4. Alright, who do we get on the poster in Mix 4? Ah, we get Monster Mutt. Awesome. It must be at the World Finals. I'm just guessing. But there we go. I like that poster. Very cool. And wow, we get like all the trucks now. Looking back, let's go ahead. There we go, and the Legacy trucks. Max D, Crazy Creatures, Pirate's Curse. There's El Toro Loco, Megalodon, Danger Divas, Wonder Woman, Legacy Trucks. There's Grave Digger, the Rough Crowd. There's the Dalmatian Truck. And then Arena Favorites, Bounty Hunter. Over here in the Nitro Neon, Grave Digger. Then Legacy Trucks, Son of a Digger, Rough Crowd. There's Monster Mutt Rottweiler, Danger Divas, Scarlet Bandit. And then there we go with now the Forces of Danger, Hurricane Force. Arena Favorites, Jester, the green version. Retro Rebels, there's the King Crunch. And then Arena Favorites is the Max D. There we have now another Grave Digger in Arena Favorites. There's the Legacy Trucks of Avenger, Megalodon, Overcast, Crazy Creatures of Dragon, Arena Favorites, Brodozer with the beadlock rims with the yellow. There's Crazy Creatures Zombie, Legacy Trucks, there's Shaker, Training Trucks, El Toro Loco. There's now Overcast with Grave Digger, Legacy Trucks Alien Invasion, Nitro Neon, Soldier Fortune, Rough Crowd, Monster Mutt, Arena Favorites, the Big Kahuna. Also then there's Crustacean and the Crazy Creatures. There is Retro Rebels, Captain's Curse, Legacy Trucks, Northern Nightmare, Training Trucks, Megalodon, look at that truck. Now Retro Rebels, we have Grave Digger the Legend coming back, awesome. There we have Arena Favorites is Bakragon Dragonoid. Sorry if pronunciation of that, but that's a hard one. Yeah, Universe Trucks, Higher Education, Overcast, Dragon, World Finals with the Avenger, looking good. Arena Favorites, Stinger Unleashed, that's gonna be pretty cool to have. Overcast, a Blue Thunder, Crazy Creatures, Jurassic Attack. And then Training Trucks, Grave Digger. Wow. I gotta look for those training trucks. I'm just having a hard time finding them since, you know, you gotta go and search for them. But hopefully you enjoyed that. And hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing of Monster Mutt.